Hi family, today I'm doing a twist out. I washed my hair with Sheer Moisture shampoo and conditioner. Because my hair is colored, I actually have it colored red. So I will also be using my large comb and open brush to get rid of those tangles while I'm twisting. That's not all, and of course water. As you know, our natural hair gets pretty dry. We need water. Now let me introduce you to Family Hair Care, which is a magic that perfects my twists. That's what we'll be using today, the magic in that bottle. So I start my twist out with spritzing my hair because it gets dry pretty quick. So I add some water, a dime size of product, and I like to work it in my hair. When you get those curls, you go like, do I really want to do a twist out? But yes, I do. And I usually start my twists very tight. I like to pull and get a tight twist, but not pulling that my hair breaks or anything like that. It's just to have it defined, so I can get that defined twist out. At the end, I usually do a twist, so instead of my hair being straight at the ends, it has a little curl. My twist out has a little curl. So I worked my hair around, spritzing, adding a dime size of product to my hair, and again twisting tight, but not that tight to break my hair. In the back of my hair, the texture in the back is pretty I should say thick, not as thick as I like it to be, but it's thicker than the front. So I add more product to the back, add more water, and I do my twist at the end. So since the back is thicker, I usually get tangles, so I can use my brush back here to get rid of tangles instead of breaking them off. Just detangle the back of my hair. And again, water and a dime size of product. And in the back, I usually add about 3 twists. Yes, about 3 twists. I add in the back of my hair, and then I work my way to the front, where the left side I put 2 twists, the back has 3 twists, and then in the front I'll add about 3 twists. And since it gets dry again, I spritz, I detangle, and add more product. So the product in the front, I add it from the root to the tip, because again, I want that defined twist out. So at the ends again, detangle, and we make a twist so we can get that curl. Usually in the front, I do a half twist at the top and a half, but for this one, I'm just gonna go straight down with my twist, because the style that I'm looking for, usually I'll pin a corner up, but no, I'm gonna add more product to the front. And like I said, from root to tip, I add more product for that defined look. And we got one more to go, and it's dance time. So again, twisting very tight, well, as I said, not to break the hair, and detangling as we go. That curl at the end helps to keep my twists lasting for a while, because the end doesn't get that frizzy because they're curled up. And it's countdown to the final twist. Yeah. And my hair takes a while to dry, so I'm not embarrassed by my parts because I use my fingers. As you can see, that's all the product that I use. I don't use a lot, especially when I'm doing twists. So water and enough product to work it in. And I add some more with what's on my hand. I just dab it in my hair, tuck the ends back, because I sleep like a crazy person, so don't want my twists crazy.